Relocating to Dallas, I know how overwhelming it feels because I've lived it. Back in 2018, my family and I moved here from Johannesburg, South Africa. We spent over a month living in a hotel, completely lost, trying to figure out where to live, which schools were best, and how to make this place feel like home. That's why I created the Dallas Relocation Blueprint. Inside, you'll discover the top 5 suburbs for families in the Dallas area, the best school districts to set your kids up for success, a 30-day moving checklist to keep you organized, and the biggest mistakes newcomers make so you can avoid them. This isn't theory. It's based on my own journey and years of helping families just like yours find the right home, the right school, the right community here in Texas. So if you're relocating, don't go through the stress my family did. Download your free Dallas Relocation Blueprint today and take your first step to making Dallas not just your new address, but your new home.